Thanksgiving is for giving thanks, by Margaret Sutherland, illustrated by Sonia Lamott. Thanksgiving is the day of the year that we eat lots of turkey and pumpkin pie, but most of all, it is a day when we give thanks for all things that make us feel happy. I am thankful for my dad and mom. They love me when I'm good, and even when I'm not so good. I am thankful for everyone else in my family. My grandma gives really good hugs. I am thankful for my teacher. She makes me feel special when she hangs my artwork on the wall. I am thankful for my friends who makes me laugh. I am thankful for my room. Sometimes it's nice to be by myself. I am thankful for hot chocolate on a cold rainy day. I am thankful for my favorite books. I like bedtime when mom and dad read to me.
The end.
If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Also check out my other videos and playlists. Bye! Thanks for watching.